In the kitchen, plates and cups, after meals they pile up. Time to make them sparkle bright. Let's wash the dishes, do it right. Wash, wash, wash the dishes. Bubbles, water, swish, swish, swishes. Rinse them, dry them, put away. Clean and tidy every day.
First we scrape off all the crumbs, left over bits and sticky glums. Fill the sink with soapy suds. Warm water, not in floods.
Wash, wash, wash the dishes. Bubbles, water, swish, swish, swishes. Rinse them, dry them, put away. Clean and tidy every day.
Use a sponge to scrub each plate. Forks and spoons are looking great. Glasses, bowls, and pots and pans, cleaning up with our own hands. Wash,
Wash, wash the dishes. Bubbles, water, swish, swish, swishes. Rinse them, dry them, put away. Clean and tidy every day. Rinse the soap off, make them gleam. Stack them neatly, it's a team. Wipe the counters, sink, and more. Now we're done with our chore. Wash, wash, wash the dishes. Bubbles, water, swish, swish, swishes. Rinse them, dry them, put away. Clean and tidy every day. Cleaning dishes can be fun. When we all help, it's quickly done. A tidy kitchen's what